Spirit. It doesn't matter how old you are called by God. You are gifted by God. You are loved by God. You are powerful. Over every person in this room, you are here on purpose, for purpose. Jesus created the blueprint. And his blueprint simply says, look at me.
Hey God, I know you don't need no one to advise you. You probably do a better job running the world than I do. I just thought I'd remind you, I've been trying to find you. It feel like Satan working overtime, times 2. They say if it doesn't kill you, that refines you. But I'm trying to live, and that's bigger than survival. It's been a long night, it's been a long fight. So just remind me now, everything will be alright.